Hey guys, it's Shannon, and today I'm here with my fall FabFitFun unboxing. So, I just filmed this whole thing, and as I was doing the last product, my camera cut out and quit filming. So I have to redo this whole thing. So, everything's already out of the box. If you really want to see the box, it's right here. But yeah. So, I'm just going to be grabbing things, showing you, and all that. So we're going to try to start with what you get in every box. So the first thing that everyone gets in their, let me start with this. My box total value, depending on what I got, varied between $285.97 and $375.94. And for FabFitFun, it's a quarterly subscription, and I think it's between, I don't remember the exact price. I thought it was used to be $40, and then I think they increased it, so I can't remember if it's $45 or $50 every 4 months or something. You get it every season. I remember that. So I used to do this a lot. Well, I did it a couple times, like 3 times I think, and then I didn't have a job for a while, so I had to cancel my subscription. But now I'm working again, and I decided to treat myself because my birthday's coming up. And it's my 19th birthday. I didn't really treat myself that much for my 18th, so I decided, you know what, get yourself a FabFitFun box, because I love them, and yeah. So, the first thing that everyone gets in all the boxes is an original beauty blender. The color can vary, it says, and this retails for $20. So, I've never tried the original beauty blender, so I'm really excited to. And yeah, I'm needing a new one anyways, so that's handy. Then, also in every box, this is their sponsored product. They usually have like one sponsored product. This is the Luna Risa bar, and I got the flavor salted caramel nut, and it's all natural flavors. It says it's gluten-free. This is made from cashew butter filled with fruit and nuts, is what it says. So, and all the ingredients look like it's all like really natural. It's got cashew butter, peanuts, rice starch, cane sugar, palm oil, sunflower oil, sea salt, and natural flavors. So yeah, I'm excited to try that. I think that'll be really good to carry like in my purse. So then I got them here. These, it's from Simply Whimsical, and it's their tea towels. You get 2, and they come in a really pretty gray color, and they have like different lines on them. I think they look really sophisticated and really nice. And the material feels really nice as well. And these retail for $15, so they're not actually that expensive. So they seem really nice, and I mean that's the price I would pay for 2 tea towels if they're really good material and everything. So yeah. What's next? This is from Skin & Co. Roma, and it's the Blue in Capri Shower Gel, and it has notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom, and it comes from their Italian collection, and it's limited edition number 7. So this is the bottle. I think the packaging is absolutely gorgeous, and it retails for $22. And it also says in their little tip that you can use this as a shower gel, or you can use it for a bubble bath. I like the color of it too. It's like a really pretty forest green. Can you tell? Alrighty. So then the last thing that everyone gets in, the box is, where are they? Right here. They're the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. You get 2 of them, and they retail for $18. I've not tried bubble masks before, so I'm really excited too. Might post Snapchats or something of it. I don't know. All my social media is linked below as well if you haven't followed me on any of that. or I'll post on my Insta story. I want to start using that. I never use it. I don't use my Snapchat either half the time, but I want to start using them. And yeah. Alrighty, so then you had 3 things where you could get this or that kind of thing. And so for the first one, it was a Vince Camuto Luck Tote, and you could get it in black or red desert. Or you had the option of the Crown Brush 6-piece brush set, and you could get the black and rose gold or the silver color. And I ended up getting the tote. I actually missed the email where you could choose these, because some, if you have a certain box, you get to choose them. I missed the email, so they just gave me random things, I guess, like whichever they thought. And I got the tote, and mine came in red desert, and I saw a little slip inside. Yeah, it's made from vegan leather, I guess. The material inside is super soft. It's a super big bag as well. I really like it. I think it looks really sleek and like sophisticated. And I think this will really come in handy because my grandma's about to have surgery, so she's not going to want to carry her purse for a while. She's having her gallbladder out, but she has back problems as well, and I think carrying her purse right after surgery is going to be really hard, like on her back and the stitches and stuff. So I can fit her stuff in here plus my stuff because it's really big and really nice. And yeah, one thing I do know, I don't like the smell of it. We go to Amish country a lot, and we always go to this store, well, we used to when my grandpa was alive, where it had it's like a leather store, and I hated the smell of that store. Like I don't know why, I just don't like the smell of like leather. I don't know, I'm weird, I guess. I don't know. And yeah. Alright, so the next you had the option between an Alfred teapot and an Alfred French press. I ended up getting the teapot. I'm really glad I got the teapot inside the French press because I don't drink coffee, and so it would just, so it would just kind of go to waste. I wouldn't use it, it would just sit there. So I'm really glad that I got the teapot because I'll use it a lot. And it's really pretty. It's like a baby blue with little cherry blossoms on it. And then you lift this part, and inside is the little thing where you can put either loose tea leaves or a tea bag, as well as the water goes in here. And if you guys don't know, my grandma collects teapots. So like, whoops, why won't this close? Okay, up here on this shelf over here, and like over on the fridge, there's like shelves that go that whole way around, and completely following that entire way is teapots. Like, I'm not even kidding. So, and it's made out of ceramic and stainless steel. So it's really good material. And did I say it was $20 retail? I don't remember. So then the last this or that option was between a Catherine Malandrino umbrella. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce things. You could get it in red floral or black and white floral. Or you could get the Silo Cobra Bluetooth wireless earbuds in black or white. And I ended up getting the umbrella. It retails for $39.99. And I'm not going to open this, but as you can see, it's a really nice size, and then you just press this button and it comes up. But I'll show you the case so you can see the print better. It's like a really pretty black and white, like floral, and it's got little rosebuds on it. And I think this is a really good size that I could just keep it in my car. It'll even fit really well, like in this bag, as you can see. Like, it would fit in here nicely with a lot of extra room. So yeah, I think that'll be nice. So then select members got 2 other products as well, and I was lucky enough to get both of them. I was really happy about that. And so the first one was products from Grown Alchemist, and you could get either the facial exfoliant, a hydro repair day cream, or the hydro restorative cream cleanser. And I ended up getting the day cream. Oh, dropping things. And this is what the tube looks like. I'm not going to open it. But yeah, it looks really nice. I love the tube. It looks like so vintage. I don't know why I think that, but I really like it. And I'm excited to try it out. I'm clicking things. Oh my gosh. Alright. Then the last product I received was from, well, you could get the Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream, the Touch and Soul Metallist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo in Penny, or the, I don't know how to pronounce that. That's in a different language. That's like Italian, I think. But it's a detox bath. I'm not going to say the like brand or anything. But I ended up getting the eye cream from Pharmacy. And this is the packaging. Again, it looks very like old-fashioned. I don't know why I think that, but I really like that packaging kind of. And then the cream looks like it's got like a green color to it kind of. It looks really nice. And it smells like really fresh. Really nice. I got it like all over my fingers, but yeah, so that's everything I got. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to look in the description box because I'll leave a link to this video. Not this video. I'll leave the link to the FabFitFun website if you want to check it out. And yeah, I'm really excited to try all these products. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Tell me if you guys tried this how do you even speak? If you guys had tried this box or anything in this box, and let me know your opinions on it. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. I upload 4 times a week. And yeah, so I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.